Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. It's time to go, baby. It's time to go. Let's do it. So we're going to talk about what I believe is another crypto opportunity. So I'm going to get into a little bit of the mindset and a little bit of kind of what's been going on. So there's a lot of news going on around the world within the crypto space as well as the macro space, right? So we've got, unfortunately, the Hamas and Israel war. So even on Google, I will pop that up as well. So, you just have unfortunate news after unfortunate news going on. Even as a Canadian myself, you got CTV News, kind of a prominent company. First Canadian evacuation flight departs. So there's a lot happening in the background. So sentiment is somewhat scarce, right? That's what I get out of it. And then you also have the FTX fiasco, whatever's going on with that. I can never remember that lady's name. It is something Ellison or... Anyways, you got the Sam Bankman-Fried. Like, look at this guy. How do you trust him, right? That's a whole thing happening right now. But, it's showing up in the market. So right now we were at a 1.12 trillion market cap. We've gone down by several billion. So Bitcoin, we're down 2%. Ethereum has been going down since 1800, not that long ago. And most importantly, Cardano from 27 cents down to 24 cents. And a lot of this has to do with what's going on in the world, right? So the outlook is not the best. But what I'm here to do is to not really bring you hopium, not to, just be like, okay, everything's good. The point is that not everything is good, but fundamentally, Cardano is growing. We just saw Hydra come out. There was just the Bitcoin event where I just did videos on it where Trezor is designing new wallets. Infrastructure is being built. Cryptocurrencies, I'm telling you, the past 2-3 years have been amazing. Okay, we have more devices, we have more platforms. The problem is the traditional ways. For example, the FTX, that's a centralized exchange where individuals corrupt and mess up what crypto is all about. Crypto is about having a non-custodial wallet, a crypto hardware wallet, and becoming your own bank. Having a permissionless, decentralized system, right? That is what we're talking about. And that has not changed one bit. Bitcoin, if you participate in the Bitcoin blockchain, it has been growing and thriving. That's just Bitcoin, right? As the largest decentralized store of value in the world. Perhaps what I'm beginning to see is perhaps the best place to put your dollars. This is the best savings account. What is better? Do you want to save dollars or do you want to save an asset that's just going to appreciate the more we print? So that's just common sense. And Bitcoin is really showing itself as that. Cardano, you could argue, is a store of value. I just talked about it in the midnight episode. So definitely check that out. I should have even more content coming for you. So if you guys check out the channel, check out our free Cardano mini course. Here's a link. And this is great. It's free. You get access to a workbook. You learn about what is Cardano, sending, receiving, staking, yield farming. You learn about all that and more. And by the way, this episode's going really good because last time I recorded this, it was like last night at like 3 a.m. I was so tired. And I'm like, I got to make coffee, get a different mug. This mug is a little egregious, but whatever. But the point I'm making really with this whole spiel is that nothing's changed. The only thing that's changed is that we have another opportunity. So even if we have another leg down, if we go lower, I'm still bullish. Nothing is cracked with crypto. But there is something to be said that we could go much lower. It's very possible, right? I do not see Bitcoin going much lower because we have the halving coming up. Today we are October 12th, 2023, and Bitcoin is again at about 26,000 USD. Bitcoin will go over $100,000 if the entire blockchain doesn't collapse, right? So comment down below. What do you believe? Do you think now is a good time to buy? I never tell anybody what to buy or when to buy. I just share with you my thoughts and opinions. And it seems to me as if every month, every week, the more I focus on cryptocurrencies, I just built a course called The Simple Guide to Cryptos and NFTs. I will have the promo ready when Phil gets that done. So I partnered with another instructor. He's got like 3 million students online. Incredible guy. And we've done art projects together, art courses, video production courses. So, I'm really excited to share with his students the knowledge that I've been accumulating as well. So we have tons of courses. And of course, on the channel, what's great, and most people don't know this, is you can go under videos and check out all the content. So I just published the Trezor Safe 3 hardware wallet video. So if you want to check out my first thoughts, if you want to learn about Cardano's privacy coin Midnight, I did a lot of research for you all. So I broke that down. The purpose of this channel is to, it's to bring attention to blockchain technology and to educate you all in a simple, easy, and fun way. But also to inspire a lot of you. So comment down below. Have you been inspired? Have I, maybe sparked a little bit of interest when it comes to cryptos and NFTs? Like I talk about all the time. I just brought up an episode. Like I'm all about crypto. Tons of hardware wallets, tons of testing. I've done several different full-length crypto courses where, I've been trialing and erroring. I've been making mistakes. But at the end of the day, sentiment is strong, in my opinion, from a technological perspective. We have more powerful decentralized cryptocurrencies than we've ever had before. And we've been able to weed out a lot of the garbage. Terra Luna's gone. A lot of the centralized exchanges are learning from past mistakes, right? But again, at the end of the day, the purpose of cryptocurrencies is that you have a non-custodial wallet, meaning you own the private keys. Okay, so a paper wallet, cold storage option. I talk about it all the time on the channel. And with that power, you become your own individual, right? And this is going to continue to grow. Nothing has changed. The only thing that's changed is that stupid people have been stupid, right? You've got, invasion in the Middle East. You have FTX. You have other, there was something else that was happening in the space, right? Ben with, BitBoy Crypto, a lot of drama happening, but that's an individual's error, right? So Bitcoin, from a mathematical standpoint, it eliminates the human error. And that's why it's going to do and last far longer than fiat money, because people corrupt it, right? People mess things up all the time. So comment down below if you agree. I think this video is very important. Personally, I would have liked to have seen my course get out earlier, but I'm accumulating, right? I'm adding more. Let me show you guys one of my major wallets. I'm working on a Dega video, so I got to get that going. If you guys want to follow my Cardano positions, this is like one of my main wallets, one of them. So you can type in my ADA handle, $Thai.ADA or Red Cape. And I have almost 15 bubble jets, still not there yet. I even have some SNEC. So I'm pretty bullish on SNEC as a meme coin. Again, I change positions all the time. I'm open to understanding that I'm wrong. So comment down below. Are there any projects you would like to see the Moose cover in the future? Let me know what other content you'd like to see. I'm doing what I can. So cheers. Moose is loose. Got to get more coffee and got to film a couple more episodes. October 12th, 2023. Bitcoin by 2024, end of 2024, going into 2025. I do believe Bitcoin will be 110,000. It will reach that. That's my prediction. Cheers.